We're going to go ahead and try this again. Okay, making sure everything's good. Okay. So let's get back to coding. This is actually the beginning. So let's start coding is more the proper thing to say. Okay, so we're doing fashion blog. This is from Codecademy.com, Learn HTML. So let us see this. It says, in this course, you will make a fashion blog using HTML. The blog will describe a designer's experience at New York Fashion Week. The blog will contain images, links, lists, and more HTML elements. You can see the completed project here. So let's just see what this project is. Okay, so it looks like images and text. We got different kinds of text here, some headings, some paragraphs, and we got a link. So let's go through this rather quickly. This should all be review. Let's see. If I go here, well, let's read the instructions first. In this course, you will make a fashion blog using HTML. The blog will describe a designer's experience at New York Fashion Week. The blog will contain images, links, lists, and more HTML elements. You can see the completed project here. So, add the basic code for a website to be structured properly, also called boilerplate code. So the first thing, go here, HTML boilerplate. I always use HTML shell, simple, quick, Command C or Control C on Windows. We want to paste that here inside our online editor. Once that is done, we could check that off. Type or title your website every day with Esau. Our title's here, every day with Esau. Next, directly below the opening body tag, add an H1 that says, so in our body here, right under it, we want to do an H1. It's going to be a heading. Our heading is going to say, an insider's guide to NYFW. Below that, add a H2. That says getting tickets and picking the shows. Getting tickets and picking the shows. Below that, add an H2 that says dressing for the shows. So let us do another H2 that says dressing for the shows. Close that. Okay, we can scratch that off there. Between the H1 and the first H2 tag, add a P tag that says, so H1, right under that's the H2, so in between that, we're doing a P. And notice that these are all within the body, and that's why they're indented here. And since none of these are nested within each other, they're on that same line. Okay, so the P, we're going to type this whole paragraph, which I do not feel like typing, so Control C or Command C, and we're putting this between H1 and the first H2. So that was here. I can actually put it on the new line, do that, and then close off this paragraph down here. Okay, I want to Oops, I don't like that. We'll just leave it. Okay, so between the first and second H2 tag, I wonder if I'm supposed to be saving it every time or wait till the end. I don't think it matters. Let's see what happens. So this is what we have so far. So we have our heading up here, paragraph in between it. We have this getting tickets and picking shows and dressing for shows. So between the first and second H2 tags, add a P tag that says. So between the first and second H2 tags, first and second H2 are here. We want to, in between there, add a P tag. Let's do this. Copy this paragraph. Add it inside of here. Whoa, what'd I do? Oh yeah, that's right. Between the first, oh, I copied too much. So like that, we got our P tag there. So let's save this, see what it looks like. Okay. So after the last H2 tag, add a P tag that says. Let's make sure you only get that part, copy this. So after the last, do another P tag, close it. Let's give it some space, V. Okay. So let's see that. We have that there now. Next, 7, let's add some pictures to our blog. Post above each paragraph, add an image tag, and set its source to be one of the following links. Okay, so above each paragraph, we have our first paragraph here. We want an image above there. So let's do an image. We want the source to be equal to any of these. Let's do the last one, because the last shall be first. We'll put that there. And now we have this image. Let's zoom out a bit. Press save. We have our first picture there at the top. Okay. So above each paragraph, we got to add one of those pictures. So that was above that first paragraph. Next, we have this paragraph here. So we'll do same thing. Source equals. Let's close this. And we'll use this second to last. Command C and paste that in there. Let's make sure this is as lined up as possible. And then we'll do one more here. Another image with a source equal to, and then we'll grab that first one here. Copy. Paste. Okay, we could officially say those are finished. Let's look at so far what it's looking like. So we got all our pictures. Let's see what is next. 8. Your first blog post is complete. Now let's add the author. Below the opening body tag, add an image tag with, okay, so below the opening body tag, here's the opening body. Below it, add the image source equal, and we're using, oops, oh, did it again. We're copying this, pasting it, thus, there. We come this way, we press save, gives us that picture at the top. Okay, below the image, add an H3. Oops, let me plug into the charger. Okay. So below the image tag, add an H3 that says, okay, so under the image, I'm going to add an H3, and we want to say by Isabel Rodriguez 1 day ago. Close H3. Let's see, save. Okay. Let's make a list of some related blog posts beneath the last paragraph. Add a H4 tag that says related content. So under last paragraph, we're just doing a H4. Related content. Sorry about that, kind of blinked out. So then we got here our H4, close it. Underneath here we want an unordered list, so unordered list. Close our unordered list. In here we'll have some list items. Oops. Okay, let me actually copy these. Okay, and then inside our list items we want, let's see if I can do this. Okay, that's one. Oops. Let's try this again. Another LI, paste, close it. Another one, LI, paste, LI, LI. And close that line. Okay, let's see what this is looking like. Got my unordered list way the heck down here. Okay. So let's press save. Put this a little bit bigger. Okay, not too shabby. Do this. Well, there we go. Okay. So we've done all this stuff. We've added the boilerplate, title, this H1s. Okay. 10. Let's make a list of some related blog posts, which I did. And I did this. I added those at the bottom here. Related content. Add a link for more information about New York Fashion Week in your first paragraph. The first word is NYFW. Surround that word with anchor tags in the tag set. So, okay, they want us to go into this paragraph that has NYFW. We want to put an anchor tag, which allows that to become a link. So we're going up in there, and we're giving it this hyperlink reference, this href, with let's put that in there. Okay, something didn't go right. Okay, there you go. So we got our href, and we also want to add this target blank, which I believe allows it to pop open in a new window, but let's see. Here, save. So let's actually look at this. We have this link here now. So now that we have this link, let's see if we can click it. It does open a new window, which goes to the Wikipedia page. So again, let's look at that and how that was done. That is the anchor tag. And we have it here. We have our paragraph. So we have the paragraph here. Then inside of the paragraph, we wrap this NYFW with that anchor tag. We gave that this hyperlink reference, which allows us to link to Wikipedia. We do this target underscore blank so that it opens in a new window. Okay. Where are we at? So at the bottom of your body, add a new div and set its ID contact inside the div. Create a new P tag and put the following contact information inside of it. So at the end of the body, here, add a new div. So down here, we want to add a div, close our div. At the bottom of your, okay, we did the div, set its ID equal to contact. So we can copy that, go inside our div, set ID equal to contact. We want to create a new P tag in there. So here's our P tag. So this is inside of our div, which is why I did a tab here. Okay, create a new tag and put the following contact information. So we'll just copy this, go into here, add all that information, save it. Should now have some information down here as you guys can see it. And it is inside our div. So inside the contact div, put strong opening and closing tags around email, phone, and address. So inside of here in the P tag, we want to put strong opening and closing around email, phone, and address. So we actually want it inside of email, strong tag, close strong tag. And then we also want it around phone. So strong tag and strong tag. And then address, let's do that as well. Strong tag and strong. Okay, so let's save. Let's look at this full screen. Make sure we have email, phone, and address strong tagged. So we have them nice and bold. They pop out. So let's see what else is left. So let's make the profile picture a link to the contact section of your web page. Find your profile image tag and surround it by opening and closing anchor tags in the anchor tag set href equal to hashtag contact. So find your profile image tag, which was the top one here, I believe. Find your profile image tag and surround it by opening and closing A tags. So surround it means they're on the outside, and it ends here, so end it there. We're going to give our anchor and h ref equal to hash contact. Okay, now we can save. We can actually compare our two now. If I do click this part, it goes down to the contact section down here. So, okay, let's compare this to the project here. So their pictures are in different areas, but we have all the same pictures. We have the link here. If I click there, it does link down to the contact section. But pretty much every spec was hit on this project, and I think we did a pretty good job. I hope you guys like this video. I will continue probably once this one's uploaded. I'm gonna probably come right back on here and continue like with another video, whatever sounds good. So I'll see you guys in a few.